Hey guys, I'm Sherry Criswell, independent designer for Chalk Couture. And today, among Valentine's and everything else going on, we can't forget St. Patrick's Day. So I'm going to work on the silk screen transfer Irish Blessings. I'm going to use two different chalk paste colors. I'm going to use Shimmer Gold, which you see right now, and Meadow Green. So you just simply put the paste on with a squeegee, get all the areas covered, scrape off the excess, make sure you got it all covered, and then you put the excess back in the jar and pull. Now I'm going to do this several different times. I'm going to clean the transfer in between. Now I did put it back and I put the green metal on off screen, not on purpose, but I did. And now I am going to do the frame, which is, again, I'm doing in gold. Now when you're doing this, you can do this any color you want, or you could do it all one color, which would really make it the easiest. Any way you want to do it, it's yours to do. So I'm doing the frame. And I am taking the, what is that tool called? It is a multi-tool, I think. And it has a small squeegee on the end. And it works for smaller spaces, which this frame is. So the Shimmer Gold is going all around the side. And by the way, you can use just the frame and put something else in it. Or use the frame for a line to divide certain things. You can do whatever you want with these. It's fun. So here I'm just doing a few places that needed some more paste, and there we go. I'm done. May the road rise up to meet you. I love it. Thanks for watching, guys. Happy chalking. See you soon. Bye.